First, remove the existing seal from the dishwasher by pulling up on the bottom right or left corner edge of the seal. Slowly guide as you remove the seal from the retainer completely. Next, wet the seal with either room temperature or warm water. Find the middle of the seal and begin feeding the wet seal into the top middle of the dishwasher retainer. Pushing firmly into the retainer, guide the seal along the retainer to the left and right top corners of the dishwasher. Next, guide the seal downward on either side of the retainer while pushing firmly into the retainer. Once the seal is installed, press firmly all around the seal to make sure that it is flush and seated into the retainer. Make sure the seal is even at the ends on both bottom corners of the retainer and fold down facing inward approximately 1 to 1 1/2 inches. Run the dishwasher and check for leaks.